right, this is Liberty stock number 51427. It's a Haas Super Mini Mill, serial number 37782. It has a Haas fourth axis and a Tico work holding vise.
We're moving?
Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, controls up, obviously. We're under power. We'll pop through a few screens. We'll take a walk around and show a little bit.
Okay.
Do some manual movement. Door open. 1/4 axis, as you mentioned, one vise. And we do have a program we can run on here in a couple of minutes.
Cool vise.
Yeah, it's a nice vise. As vices
His
go.
vise is cool.
I
heard myself say it and I laughed.
You can read my mind, right?
Yeah, like,
Cool
really?
vise. Yeah, really?
Really?
Did I just say that? Let me open this up.
Wait here.
Oh, you want to get that? Go ahead, yeah. Okay. Boiler down low, air package, just before I open the door maybe.
Got it.
Yeah. And this guy here. A temporary line coming in. And 20 horsepower drive. Rest is all pretty much standard. Four servos off to the left here. And the main transformer down low. We're right at 208. Yeah, close that up. Yeah, all the plugins obviously for the drives. Filtration, coolant down low. And there's not much else over on this side. Documentation. And let's see, what else? Yeah, that's about it. We'll open up. Maybe pop through a couple of screens over side.
Let me go on this side.
Yeah,
Yep.
come on over. I don't know where the glares
No, we're good here.
least at. But yeah, I mean, yeah, we got a single. We'll jump into there at 1500 on MDI. Position, they're all standard offsets. Current commands right here. I don't think we have any alarms. No, we're happy. And of course your parameter page, settings, help, don't need, cancel, don't need. We'll leave it right there. Let's go into jog. Go into jog, and that said, we do X off the hand wheel. Let me see what I can do here. Bring it up. Let me see if I even got it. X. Nope, hang on. I'll screw this up. X and jog. Do we have something? There we go. So yeah, just to move it around a little bit. Works off the jog here too, but it's a lot slower. Yeah, you can kind of see it. And Y. Bring it in. Same with the buttons here. And what else we got? Z. Z. And Z down. Slow feed. And lastly, A. Where's A? A. There it is. Hand jog. No, we've screwed up. We screwed up. Hang on. A, jog. There we go. There we go. We're moving. You can see the rotation. That's off the MPG or real slow. Yep. Either way. So that's that. We'll leave that alone for a minute. We'll leave the spindle right where it's at. Where's that MDI program at? There's something, there's MDI on there. I'll just go single block down to 750 right away, cycle start. Yeah. There's 750. What percentage am I at? I left it at 80%. Let me bring it up a little bit. 90, 100. That is 750. Let me go a little bit faster. I'll go down to 1500 here. There's 15. And we could crank it up a little bit here. Let me see where we're at. Let me see where we're at here. Nope, I don't want that. Yeah, 1649, 18, 20. Sounds nice. 25, 27, 3,000. Do a start stop maybe. Let's see. Stop. Start. Go reverse once. Stop. Reverse. Stop. I'll leave it right there. That sounds pretty good. So we'll leave that there. Get into memory here. I'm just going to run a program here. There's a few tool changes coming up here on this thing. We'll just jump into this program here. No, I keep on hitting the wrong stuff here, so sorry. That's where I want to be. That said, spindle's at 200. We can lower that down. Let's go back to 100%. Feed at 100. Well, feed I can leave high because we're not cutting any. We'll leave it at 200% feed. Single block off. We don't need that anymore. And let's just jump into the program. And you'll probably see this thing only because I moved it, so you might see that orient itself first before anything happens.
Okay.
So kind of watch that. I'm just going to hit cycle start. Keep an eye on things. Let's see what happens. So I just left it in the middle of everything. I don't know where I'm at. See it? There it goes. Yeah. I thought that would position. Each tool has a timer on there, a dwell, for whatever reason. They might have been waiting for coolant to come up. I don't know. That's not a bad deal, I guess. Spindle's at 100%, which is 1500 right now for this job. You can bring it up a little bit. There's 1800. Doing some circular, looks like. We lost a tool. We're doing nothing here. So.
Now we're not even cutting here.
Yeah, we're just, it's about a 5-second dwell on each tool, 5-6 seconds, I guess. It's moving. Another dwell. It looks like they're doing circular interpolation there on these last two tools there, you know. There they are. Huh? Yep. Can't make out what that is. I'm not sure. It's hard to see it without getting close like you are, because they weren't moving around too much with this one. So yeah, it's all working. You see the program coming up here rolling off. A lot of program back there. You can kind of see it. We're getting towards the end now, so yeah, maybe show a little bit of that. Get this last one now. They have kind of a pecking here going on with this last tool, I think. The deep hole drilling? I'm not sure what they were doing here, but kind of interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And chip clearing maybe. So. And that's it. There she be.
Nice job.
Yeah,
Thank you.
It's running good there. Sure enough. Nice tool.